Bisons. Bisons is that a wolf? That we got to the bisons. I don't know what's coming next. Be sure the lions are gonna be coming soon.
Okay,
that's the animals that these are. Were they? Windows and sunroofs closed. Stay in your cars. Stay.
There.
That's a tiger. I didn't know that was tigers. I thought that. Wait, it's a tiger. I thought that was only lions.
I thought my photo was very clever.
I am.
A lion, new tiger guy in the hour.
The lions have hair coming out here.
That's lion. This is a female.
Oh, I learned something now. When did the lion come? This is a girl lion. I think that's a girl lion. I don't know what that is. Besides the lion. There's only females. There's only females. That's it. Oh! If Mahmouda. Oh, they're fighting! Oh, they're playing. I think they're playing. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. That one just. Here, lion. Yeah, no tigers, lions. These are lions, the girl ones. I don't see a lion. I want to see a boy lion now. What? I think these are nil guys. How do you know? Probably nilgai camels. So they look either you don't need it. Oh my god. So far anyway. Oh, what's that? I think that's a fallow deer. Oh, that's a car. Fallow deers. Oh my god. Why Lord?
I think those are black books, no? No black books are. Oh.
It's a yak.
John, now as I was saying before about smiling, what she'll do is she'll look around the audience and she will see who is maybe approachable. If you're sat there really miserably, obviously that's very awkward for her, so you can she'll avoid you. But with things like our owls, whenever we bring them out, there's generally a safe perception. Everyone always says, oh, aren't we really cute and cuddly? Now don't get me wrong, Julia is lovely, she is cute. She definitely is cuddly though. It's all down to Harry Potter. Harry Potter made owls very popular. Everyone always loves Henry. But what people realise how easy owls are hunted. He goes down like a bit of spaghetti and good job is done. So can you have a massive round of applause? Now this animal is very particular with the snakes. It's got to be wavy, otherwise he walks in the opposite direction, just because it makes a really nice noise. So this time we're going to throw the snake all the way over there and he just trots back over to the grate and then does it. Obviously, no more than 4 seconds to try to kill Simba, and everyone is just terrified of them. Now he's a scavenger, he does not go off and hunt, so this is by far our nicest animal, but because people find him quite ugly, no one really wants to know much about the vultures. Now I am going to walk around the audience, he might come under your feet and just ignore me, he is really lovely. And just kind of show you how naughty he is. So Nichols has got the intelligence of a 5-year-old, but he lasts for 35 years, and he is very naughty with it. Nichols likes to cause a bit of chaos. You know, in our outside demonstrations, when he flies it, even if it's not that much I'm walking to. Now Malcolm is the Eurasian Eagle. Oh my!
A nice big wave hello. But these two, they will wave to you, and the shore will wave with them face. So everybody, stick an arm up in the air and wave around at me. Here we go. That'll do, that's most of you. Come on, you two, we better wave back. Say hello to everybody. Very good. So, these two, they are both Californian sea lions. And as that name does suggest, you can of course find the largest population or the biggest group of this particular type of sea lion all along the coast of California. You can also find them as far north as Canada, but it does become pretty cold, and as far south as Mexico, where of course it's lovely and warm. So this type of sea lion is quite widespread all across that western Pacific coast of America. Now these two, they're only youngsters, so they're not yet fully grown. They don't become fully grown until they're around 18, maybe 19 years old. And by that time, these two, they're going to reach lengths of around 2 to 2.5 metres, so they are both going to get an awful lot taller. But they could also end up weighing anything between 30 to possibly even 40 stone. So they are also going to get a lot fatter and a lot heavier too. To give you all an idea of how big 40 stone could be, this little fella here, he's weighing in at around about 12 stone at the minute. So in theory, he could triple, maybe even quadruple in size. If you guys can imagine 4 of him stuck together, that's how big these guys can actually get. Let me introduce you to them so you know who's who. We're going to start off with this little fella first. This little guy, he's called Louis. Louis is the youngest of the 3 sea lions that we'll have to hear at Knowsley. He's 8 years old. He's a very clever little sea lion. He's a very swim across and then try and hit that white ball with his nose. Now this time, if Roger managed to hit him, you guys got to give him a great big cheer, okay? That means all the mums and dads, dads and granddads, and of course, all the kids, you've all got to join in, because this takes the most effort of all. Right, Rog, you ready? Go on then, you head over to the tower. Now, to remember here, and I'll tell you how mobile sea lions are. Watch how quickly Roger climbs these stairs. He's on his way up. He's nearly at the top already. Here he comes. He's away as well. So give him a round of applause. That's it.
You know.